Welcome back to AutoCrafters, your ultimate stop for high-octane reviews, deep dives, and all things on four wheels that make your heart race. Today we're stepping into the driver's seat of an absolute American icon, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This isn't just another muscle car, it's the crown jewel of Ford performance, a living, breathing beast that blends heritage with cutting-edge engineering. And if you've ever wondered what it feels like to have over 800 horsepower snarling under your right foot, you're about to find out. So buckle up, because over the next few minutes we're going to peel back every layer of this machine, from its pulse-pounding performance to its track-ready design and the little details that make it a legend in its own right. The 2025 Shelby GT500 doesn't whisper about performance, it shouts it from every angle. Up front you've got a massive 3D mesh grille that not only looks menacing but also maximizes airflow to that supercharged V8. The functional hood vents, now made from lightweight carbon fiber, keep temperatures in check during those hot laps. The front splitter has been redesigned for better downforce, and the available carbon fiber track pack adds an even larger rear wing. Forged carbon fiber wheels and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. The stance is wide, muscular, and low, with flared fenders hinting at the serious rubber underneath. Ford also introduces two new Heritage color options this year: Velocity Blue Heritage and Wimbledon White, with Guardsman Blue racing stripes paying tribute to Carroll Shelby's racing legacy. And yes, you can still go full custom with striped deletes, contrasting roof colors, and a variety of wool finishes. Aerodynamics are more than just visual flair. Every vent, fin, and curve has been tested in the wind tunnel. The 2025 GT500 produces nearly 500 pounds of downforce at 180 miles per hour, keeping the car planted and stable at triple-digit speeds. Step inside and you'll find an interior that strikes a balance between race-bred minimalism and modern comfort. The Recaro racing seats in the track pack hug you tightly during cornering, yet remain comfortable enough for long drives. You can also opt for leather-trimmed, heated and ventilated seats if you want a more grand touring vibe. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara with a Shelby Cobra emblem staring back at you, a constant reminder of what's under the hood. Behind it sits a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster, reconfigurable to show performance metrics like G-force, track lap times, and even a shift light indicator for maximum precision. For infotainment, you've got Ford's latest S1C4 system with a high-res 13.2-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a Bang & Olufsen 12-speaker audio system, though honestly most owners will probably prefer listening to the exhaust over any playlist. Track day enthusiasts will appreciate the built-in performance data recorder, letting you analyze lap times, braking zones, and throttle application, perfect for shaving seconds off your next run. Under the hood, no other production muscle car offers 820 horsepower straight from the factory with this level of refinement. The GT500 is not just about straight-line bragging rights, it's a genuine corner carver thanks to MagneRide suspension, precise steering, and aerodynamic tuning. It's the perfect blend of Shelby's racing DNA and Ford's cutting-edge engineering. From bold color schemes to performance packages, owners can truly make it their own. Despite the power, it's surprisingly comfortable and offers creature comforts you wouldn't expect from something this wild. On the open road, the 2025 GT500 is an intoxicating mix of raw power and precision. The throttle is razor sharp, the supercharger whine addictive, and the DCT gearbox fires off shifts with rifle bolt precision. In sport mode, the exhaust crackles and pops on overrun, making every downshift an event. Push it on a twisty road and you'll be amazed at the grip. Those Cup 2R tires feel glued to the tarmac, and the steering feedback is telepathic. On the track, the car feels composed even at its limits, with the chassis balance allowing you to dance on the edge of oversteer without fear of snapping out unexpectedly. Even in normal mode, the GT500 is livable. The MagneRide softens up, the exhaust quiets down, and you can cruise comfortably, making this car as much a daily driver as it is a weekend track weapon. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 isn't just a car, it's an event. Every time you start it up, you're reminded that you're in control of one of the most powerful and capable muscle cars ever built. That it's a love letter to American performance, but also a forward-looking statement about how muscle cars can adapt and thrive in the modern era. If you're looking for a machine that combines brute force, precision engineering, and undeniable road presence, the GT500 is in a class of its own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss future reviews, comparisons, and real-world tests. Also, let me know what you'd like me to cover next. I've got some exciting ideas in the pipeline.